And it's intensified, to the point where the National Weather Service has gone ahead and issued a tornado warning for this little cell. Again, this is just south of the Twin Ports area from Pine County into Burnett County. If you live in this area, seek shelter immediately. This is in the area of Danbury, Wisconsin. Hurdle's also in this. Yellow Lake is part of it. Swiss, Riverside. Webb Lake kind of just on the fringe of it, but certainly if you are in or around this area or even in the severe thunderstorm warning area, seek shelter immediately. This is a tornado, radar-indicated tornado as of right now, but again, we are seeing this with quite a bit of rotation. So it's located over Mille Lacs Band, Lena Lake area, or 20 miles east of Hinckley, moving southeast at about 25 miles per hour. So it's not moving super fast. I'm going to pause right here, and we can kind of start to see that hook forming right in here where we are seeing that rotation. And so I'm going to turn on some velocities here, and we're going to take a look at this. Not only do we have this rotation within the system, by the way, we're also seeing quite a bit of very strong winds, upwards of 60, 70 mile per hour winds just above the surface, and that can translate further down to the south. Now, we usually try to look for about 100 mile per hour gate-to-gate shear, and that is exactly what we're seeing here. So the gate-to-gate shear is at 105 miles per hour. So that's basically how strong of rotation within this system that we're actually seeing, and we're seeing some very, very strong rotation. So again, if you do live in or around the Danbury area, seek shelter immediately, get away from any windows, get to a low level if possible. Obviously, a bathroom, basement is going to be your best option. If you know of anybody camping in that area, make sure that they are aware of this dangerous situation. Because again, this is just radar-indicated tornado, but we are going to be seeing some very strong winds, damaging winds, again, from that system within that circle that I have kind of outlined here. We also do have a severe thunderstorm watch across the rest of northern Wisconsin. So these storms, as they move further east, they are becoming stronger, and they are becoming stronger even faster. And so we'll keep a close eye on some of these cells that are currently moving through Bayfield and Ashland County. Right now, those are not severe, but this cell down to our south for portions of Pine and Burnett County, I mean, that hook is just getting even more defined here the more that we talk. So there's a pretty decent chance that we could be seeing a tornado making it to the ground here shortly in that area. So again, that's just north of Clover in the Danbury area. Swiss is right there. I'm just checking one more thing. Oakland and that vicinity. Just make sure that you are seeking shelter as fast as you possibly can here, right along Highway 40, is that 43? And 35, 77, Highway 77 there is right there. So that's going to be crossing Highway 77. Again, that's a very, very textbook hook echo that we're seeing with that cell moving in. Let's go back to velocities here, see if we got another scan. Doesn't look like it's that new, but again, upwards of 70 mile per hour gate-to-gate shear, but over 100 miles per hour in that little section. So again, this is radar indicated at this point. I'm going to hop off because I think I've kind of covered everything that I need to at this point in time, but I'll probably be hopping on here again, just knowing that we do have the potential for tornadic activity. So stay tuned right here on KBJR 6. Download the KBJR 6 weather app for any more updates. And of course, we'll continue to keep you safe, and stay tuned.